I have been thinking of learning different types of accents for a very long time, and you guys appreciate my Indian accent a lot, and thank you so much for that, because that inspires me to like learn different types of accent as well. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you to learn English with me. So once, like maybe 2 to 3 months ago, I decided that I will learn British, American, and Russian accent and many other accents. Okay, but I only decided, I never took a single step. Okay, and today in the morning I decided, okay, if you want to learn, you have to like start learning. You If you procrastinate, it will never comes to you, it will never. So if you want to learn, you have to take your first step. So today I realized that and I took my first step, guys. So now I'm going to share what I learned today. So today I learned the ER sound. Okay, the ER sound in different types of accent. So let's pick a word with ER sound, which is okay, water. WATER, water. In Indian accent, we just pronounce it as water. Okay, so today we will learn how to pronounce water in British accent and how to pronounce water in American accent. So how can we do that? Okay, so the word is water. In British accent, the ER pronounced as UH. UH, okay? And in American accent, the ER pronounced as DR or RRRR, you can say. So now I'm going to pronounce in different types of accent so you can totally understand, you can properly understand. Okay, let's start. Whew, I'm still nervous. Okay, this is also my first day. Okay, so let's start. So in British accent, it's water. Water. Okay, water. WATER. ER pronounced as UH. So water. Water. And in American accent, ER pronounced as RRR or DR, we can say. So water. Water. Okay, in American accent it's water, and in British accent water. So let's like pick an example with water. Give me a glass of water. Okay, so in British accent, give me a glass of water. Okay, and in American accent, give me a glass of water. Water. Okay, so can you see the difference between water and water? So this is the difference between British accent and American accent, and this is what I learned today. Let's pick another example with water. I drink a glass of water. So okay, so I drink a glass of water and I drink a glass of water. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you learned something with this video, and if you found this video helpful, please do like and just share with your one friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. And wait, don't forget to comment down your problems, your difficulties, so that I can make videos on those topics too. And that's all for today. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.